In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up custom IP access rules inside Cloudflare. First, log into your Cloudflare dashboard and select the website you want to protect. Next, navigate to Security and then click on WAF or Tools, depending on your Cloudflare dashboard version. Locate the IP access rules section and click Create Rule or Add Access Rule. Enter the IP address, IP range, or country you want to manage. Then choose the action you want Cloudflare to take. For example, you can allow, block, challenge, or JS challenge traffic from that source. After configuring the rule, click Save to apply the changes. Cloudflare will immediately begin enforcing the access rule, helping you control who can access your website and protect against unwanted traffic. To verify the rule is working, test access from the affected IP address or review your security events and logs. And that's it. You've successfully set up custom IP access rules inside Cloudflare. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to use the affiliate link in the description.